Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday afternoon, November 15th, fifth period for Iizuka's VIII B English reading class. I haven't done these videos ever before, and I think it's because it's an online course and I tend to forget to do it, but I want to use these videos to give you a chance to review what's going to be important in the class, any important points in future classes, and important assignments that I want to make sure that you remember from previous classes. This should take about 5 minutes or so, and don't worry, you can watch this yourself because I'm going to put it on YouTube. Oops, somebody just came in. I'm going to put it on YouTube. And then once that's done, then you can watch it again and again. And especially if you didn't come to class, that's very good for you. So let's get started. First, I'm going to share my screen over to here. And I want to make sure that everybody knows what the attendance word is today. And the attendance word today, oops, it is cable. As in a USB-C cable. Please put that into our attendance entry for class number 7. You have maybe another 6 minutes. It's 4:24 right now, another 6 minutes before that becomes late. So please put that into our attendance entry number 7. The word today is cable. Okay, I'll keep that up for a little bit, but because you probably already know it, I'm going to go over here and share our screen. Now, today is November 15th, and it is the week before November 15th, right there, class number 7, and it is the week before our midterm test. Now, I'll talk a little bit more about the midterm test during the class, but I'll just make this really quick. Please make sure that you have your computer and just in case, your smartphone ready to go. So it should have its battery fully charged. I suggest that it actually be plugged into the wall, but in case you're not near an electrical receptacle, make sure that it's fully charged because you're going to need it for this test. The explanation for the test is here. You can read that a little bit later. And basically, it'll be in 2 parts. One will be the Moodle test itself, which will be available on the day of the test. And after that Moodle test is finished, probably in about, for you guys, it shouldn't take that long. Most of you will finish in about 30 minutes. But after everybody is finished at 40 minutes, okay, we'll go on to the midterm test video submission, which will basically be similar to the video submissions that we've done before. And I want to talk about them too. Both the Moodle test and the video test are based on the readings that we did for Unit 3. Okay, now the Unit 3 readings, there were 2 of them. One is reading 1. The Moodle test and the video discussion will be on reading 2. So please make sure you completely understand reading 2. The Moodle test will have questions on the vocabulary, but it will also have comprehension questions, content questions based on reading 2. And you will have to do a discussion, a video discussion on reading 2 on the test. So please make sure that you understand and you've read very well reading 2, because that will be the video discussion and that will be the Moodle test. Okay, and that's in class 6. Now today, I want to make sure that you understand what's important in the video discussion. I actually looked through your video discussions from class number 4 and class number 6, and I have some pointers for you how you can improve your video discussions. And I want you to remember them for the midterm test. Now, there are a few other things that I want to show you as well, too. Okay, now if you want to see the class description, that's always there. This is the Quizlet set for Unit 3B. The test itself will only go up to Unit 3A. So it's not going to cover Unit 3B. Unit 3B will be for the final test. So everything on the test will be from Unit 1, 2, and 3A only. Okay, I hope you finished your attendance entry. Okay, now I was told last week that I've completely forgotten to actually go over the vocabulary worksheet answers. And I was trying to finish them today, but I did not completely finish them. So I'll get them available for you on November 16th. Okay, at 2 p.m. So that's tomorrow at 2 p.m. I'll have all of those worksheet answers ready for you by November 16th. Now, there's one homework that will not be available for you, and that will, of course, be for homework 3B. That won't be available until November 18th, because this is due on November 17th. Okay, you have a vocabulary quiz, but that's not due until November 21st. And there's another resource here called ChatGPT prompts. We'll look at that a little bit later. If you have any questions about any of this, about the test or what I've said here, please feel free to contact me. My email is always here with the systems that you can use, because that's where you can also find, if I can go to it now, it's not clicking over. Anyway, my email is jdmcruz@gmail.com. You can always email me if you have any questions about any of this stuff. Okay. Okay, otherwise, there it is. There's jdmcruz@gmail.com. That's my email if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a good class, and yeah, thanks very much. Okay, let's stop there.